What's up guys, good day. Today I'm gonna show you how to activate your Android phone split screen. This is what I'm using right now is an Oppo A71 Android phone. Just go to settings, you go to split screen. So you can see here guys, it's on. Up split screen, you can turn it off, of course turn it on. Swipe up with the three fingers to enter split screen, turn it off, of course turn it on. So we move back to Google just to show you how split screen activated. Okay, just go to Google Chrome. So it's already, we have in the YouTube. From top, from the bottom guys, you just swipe up three fingers, slowly. Wait, three fingers swipe up, it's already on split screen. So how to use the two windows, to web page, to browse your things, your stuff. So as you can see here, you can see Google. Press that one, Google. Yeah, you type your stuff here, or your, let's say we will go to Pixabay, already there, already entered. Press Pixabay. Okay, so here you click the Pixabay and you browse Pixabay in and out. Okay, so you have two Google Chrome on your monitor at the same time. You can browse here, you can browse here. So that's all guys, I hope you learned something. See you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.